Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So we know that RBI Grade B Phase 2 examination is on 6th of December and this is the moment that you have been waiting for. And it is very important that there are certain things that you must carry in the exam center, and this is something that we are going to discuss in the video, right? Because if you will forget these things, then ultimately it is going to be problematic, right? So make sure that you carry these things and let us see them one by one. The first is, of course, the admit card. And please make sure that you are taking a printout of your admit card in a timely manner. Do not delay it unnecessarily. Sometimes in the last moment the website does not work, or maybe कोई आपको प्रिंट आउट की शॉप नहीं मिलती है, ठीक है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. सो डू नॉट इनवाइट दैट ट्रबल unnecessarily, and please take out the printout in a timely manner. The next is that you need to have photograph also, right? And it has to be the same photograph, that you have submitted while filling your application form, and you will have to affix it on your admit card, and you have to sign across also, right? Like this. So make sure that you are doing it. कोई random photo मत लगाना, वही photo लगाना जो आपने admit card में भी submit की थी, so that there is no such trouble in the examination. You don't have to argue with the invigilator unnecessarily. The next is that you need to carry ID proof also, right? ID proof की original चाहिए आपको, और साथ ही साथ उसके फोटो कॉपी भी चाहिए, right? And these are the, I would say, documents that you can use as ID proof. For example, the PAN card, passport, permanent driving license. Please remember, permanent driving license is fine, but not the learner driving license. ठीक है, तो learner वाला नहीं चलेगा, permanent लेके जाना है. और ration card will also not be acceptable. So you have to make sure that you have any one of them, right? Any one ID proof and the photocopy of the same. The next is ballpoint pen. So you need a pen in the examination, right? In order to do the rough work. तो rough work आपको करना पड़ सकता है, तो उसके लिए पेन होना इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो एक बॉल पॉइंट पेन अपने साथ लेके जाओ. हाँ, आपको एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में वो मिल सकता है, बट डू नॉट रिलाई अपॉन दैट. ठीक है, हमें पता नहीं होता है किस तरह का एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर में मिलेगा, वहां पर क्या सिचुएशन होगी. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू कैरी योर पेन, बट अगर वहां पर हुआ तो ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन यूज दैट ऑल्सो, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, बट यू शुड हैव इट फ्रॉम योर एंड ऑल्सो. Now these were the four things. Apart from that, if you're carrying any water bottle, make sure that it is transparent. नहीं तो allow नहीं करते हैं बहुत बार, right? It is going to be problematic. So admit card, photograph, ballpoint pen, ID proof, and water bottle, but the transparent one, right? So these are the things that you must carry. So I hope it was helpful for you, and I wish you all the best. Do not be anxious, and maintain the temperament. It is extremely important, and have that self-belief in your preparation. Now, last, before I end the session, for those of you who want to see how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation, you just have to go to a website which is edutap.in. In the all courses section, you can go and you can check out our courses. For example, for RBI, NABARD, SEBI, PFRDA, UPSC, CSAT, all such sort of courses are there, and you can check out the details on our website. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much and all the best for your exam.